Do y'all see me shaking? It's shaking all the way up to my hair is literally vibrating. I wonder if this is good for hair growth. This is crazy. I love this thing.
This is the vibration plate by Tisscare, and it comes with these two handles, which I'll circle back to in a minute. This is the power cord. These are the two handles, and then was the remote, because once this thing gets to going, I don't want to have to try to be punching keys while it's vibrating. So I love that you can adjust the settings on this. You do need two like AAA batteries that it does not come with. So pull that off. That I liked about this, because I have concrete floors, little suction cups, they're kind of like rubbery, you know, it sticks so it won't be moving around. Turn these out, you can hook the bands. So this just gives you a resistance band that while you're standing on there, you could do like bicep curls or arm raises or whatever you want. A little carabiner. So let us turn it on and see. I'm sure it's gonna be super loud up on this table, but we're gonna try it and see. It is rated for up to 300 pounds, and it has levels that go from 0 all the way to 120. So I love that, because I think like basically anybody could use this. Oh, it keeps getting stuck to my table. But it is low impact. I mean, anybody could stand on a vibrating plate. So you just take this plug and you plug it in back here, like boop. And then there's a switch back here that you have to turn on, like that. Oh, hello. This is the power button, the red one. And this one up here is the start button, the one that looks like a play button. And the pause button is the stop button. And then M is right here, this is the manual button. It will increase by 20 levels each time you press the M. On here. So we can see how much it's shaking. All right, let's turn it up. To 20. 40. It's stopping itself. It decreases slowly. It doesn't just like automatically come to a halt.
Look, see how much it moves your legs? That's what I was trying to record for y'all, but I couldn't show you because I was already on there. Hold on. See how much it moves your legs? And she weighs like nothing. So if you weigh anything, yeah, like look. Oh, look at what it's doing to her. He's trying it. He said it looks like he's cold. Look at his pants moving.
You can control it just right here. Like you can change the power and everything by just touching it. But of course, you know, a remote, it's low profile, be less than 5 inches tall. So this can pretty much slide under anything.
I wanted to show you guys what I meant. So this is just a little like side arm under my bed. And look. See? It slides right under there.
20 inches wide, 11 inches this way. Out of the box, high quality build, looks nice, love the remote, comes with the 2 resistance bands. I think this would be great for like core strength, and it also helps with bone density, which I don't even know how that works, but that's one of the claims. So we're gonna use it, and I'll come back and let you guys know what I think. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.